Hello, Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, March 22nd. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 3 active cases in isolation and no one hospitalized. We have 13 individuals in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is 220, including 187 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 32 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. We want to personally thank Governor David Ige and his staff, as well as the many community members who joined us on Thursday to inspect the flooding damage and the remarkable work this resilient community has done to keep vital services operating after the flooding and landslide of this month. We know how much work has yet to be done, and we will continue to keep in close contact with the Department of Transportation as construction work and limited road access continues. For updates on roadwork and access, please visit the state DOT website at hidot.hawaii.gov. The county continues to conduct assessments of storm-affected areas across the island. If your property suffered damage due to this month's flooding, please visit www.kauai.gov/KEMA and click on the green button says March 2021 rain damage to complete a form. For assistance on how to fill out the form, you may call KEMA at 241-1800. The information you provide will help the County of Kauai understand the scope of residential damage and whether our jurisdiction may qualify for any state and federal assistance. You will still need to file claims with your insurance company for residential damage and personal property loss. To date, we have administered more than 35,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines on Kauai. This results in roughly 31% of Kauai residents receiving at least 1 dose of vaccine, and we estimate a little more than 18% of our residents are now fully vaccinated. There are 3 kinds of vaccines now available on our island: the Pfizer vaccine, the Moderna vaccine, which requires 2 injections, and the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is a single-dose vaccine. The current priority group in 1C are anyone 60 and older, anyone 16 and over who is at high risk, and all essential workers 16 and over. The top priority in this group is anyone working in the travel industry, restaurants, or bars. If you were eligible earlier, Group 1A or 1B, but didn't get vaccinated, you are still eligible. If you are 60 and over, you may receive a vaccine at Wilcox, Mahilona Hospitals, and KVMH. Additionally, if you are an essential worker that is eligible to receive a vaccine, you may also receive a vaccine at one of these 3 hospitals or at the Department of Health's vaccine clinic at the convention hall. Vaccines are also available at Long's or established patients at Ho'alalahui clinics. If you meet vaccine criteria, please make an appointment to get your vaccine by visiting kauai.gov/vaccine. If you are unsure of your eligibility, please go to kauai.gov/vaccine and complete a survey today. If you are eligible, a Department of Health representative will contact you directly to receive a vaccine as early as this week. Kauai will rejoin the state Safe Travels program for incoming trans-Pacific travelers effective April 5th. Those flying to Kauai from out of state can then avoid the 10-day travel quarantine if they participate in the state's Safe Travel program, which includes taking a pre-travel test from a state-trusted testing partner within 72 hours of departing to Kauai. Tests must be taken by a state Safe Travels trusted testing partner, and results must be uploaded to your online Safe Travels profile prior to landing. Be sure to keep a paper copy of your test on hand in case you have trouble uploading your results. Inter-island travelers can already take a pre-travel test to avoid the 10-day quarantine. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We also recommend you download the Aloha Safe Alert app on your smartphone from the App Store on Apple or Google Play for Androids. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification application based on Google and Apple's exposure network. The app alerts you when you may have been in close contact with someone who may have put you at risk for exposure. This app does not track your location. We continue to encourage travelers to take a post-travel COVID-19 test. Free tests are available without appointment at our Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. Additionally, we thank our hotel partners who have committed to encouraging their guests to take post-travel tests. The County of Kauai relaunched the Rise to Work program, which is created to help Kauai residents who lost their job connect to temporary job opportunities with local employers. Participants in the program receive weekly pay, free health insurance benefits, and the opportunity to learn new skills and gain professional connections. A list of available jobs is posted daily on the Kauai Forward website. If you are interested in joining the Rise to Work program, we encourage you to review the available jobs and contact employers directly for an interview. For more information on the Rise to Work program, please visit www.kauaiforward.com/rise to work. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, and please avoid large gatherings. Together we can help to keep Kauai safe. Aloha.